developing with Power BI for some time now, and the company you're working at, they're growing, their data is growing, and the scheduled refreshes in your Power BI datasets just aren't cutting it anymore, and you need to move to a more streamlined and sustainable solution. You need to start executing refreshes via the Power BI APIs. And you can execute against those APIs using tools like Azure Data Factory. There is a lot of information and articles. Here's a couple from Microsoft BI Tools, Data Savvy, and DataMark. You'll see the links at the bottom of the video, which go into detail on how to construct the ADF steps required to execute Power BI refreshes from ADF. This video isn't going to focus on developing those pipeline steps, but it will focus on a common error that you may face when executing your pipeline. You may have noticed a slew of errors that may be causing one or all of your Power BI datasets to fail the refresh. And when you look at the error logs, you'll notice that the request was blocked by DOS-P. So you're probably scratching your head like, why is this happening? What does that even mean? After a few Google searches, I found this message from Microsoft support stating that certain IPs are tied to the Azure integration runtime, and they recommend using a self-hosted integration runtime to mitigate those errors from happening. So you're probably also sitting here wondering, okay, so how do we fix this? How do I get a self-hosted integration runtime? Well, it's pretty straightforward, at least from starting off in ADF. You can just click on your call dataset refresh step. I would also recommend to set the retry steps to 2 or even 1, just in case it fails the first time around. It'll just restart and try again. But you can come into settings, and then down in integration runtime, instead of using the auto resolve integration runtime, use a self-hosted one if you already have one that's existing. If you don't, you can just click on new and then come to the self-hosted option and then proceed with the following steps. If you like this video, make sure to like and share my content. Thanks for watching.